Step into a world of comfort and luxury living at June Homes 02119, your stylish student abode nestled in the heart of Boston. Your charming new non-ensuite is complete with regal hardwood floors, perfect to glide on, tons of storage space, and a cloud-like bed for restful sleeps. Depending on the unit you choose, you also get air conditioning, a huge flat-screen TV for late-night binges, and a patio for your main character moment. Tackle laundry with the on-site facilities available, and whip up delicious meals in the fully equipped kitchen. Plus, there is street parking for your wheels too. Unlock peak campus proximity with Wentworth Institute of Technology and Massachusetts College of Art and Design, just a short drive away. Hop on the bus from Walnut Avenue at Dale and Washington Street at Oakland Street bus stops and explore the city seamlessly. A world of culinary delights surrounds this property with popular restaurants and cafes. So, hurry and grab your spot at June Homes 02119 Boston, now before it slips away through amberstudent.com.